History of Top 10 Man-Made Wonders of the World. The man started to create wonders from ancient time onwards through his unique power of creativity. Here is the list of top 10 most amazing human-made wonders of the world, which includes both ancient and modern wonders. 10. Teotihuacan, Mexico. Teotihuacan is one of the largest cities in the ancient world, now located in Mexico. The fantastic Pyramid of Sun at Teotihuacan has the same base areas as that of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Pyramid of Sun is the second largest pyramid in the world. These ancient pyramids built for gods of sun and moon also became a religiously significant ancient system. 9. Karnak Temple, Cairo, Egypt. It is one of the most massive religious complexes ever discovered, located in South Cairo, Egypt. Archaeologists estimate that this ancient building constructed dusting 1390 to 1350 BC. It is also the second most visited religiously historical place of the country just after the Great Pyramid of Giza. The entire complex of Karnak Temple built only using sandstone. 8. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat is one of the most significant religious and World Heritage listed temple located in Cambodia. This most attractive holy site was built in 1150 by King Khmer. Angkor Wat Temple along is a historical attraction and it is one of the most favorite tourist places of the country. Buddhists still uses this temple, earlier it belonged to Hindus. Spread across 400 square kilometers known as City Temple. 7. BACAN Temple and Pagodas, Myanmar. BACAN Temple is a historical site in Myanmar which have the same importance as that of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The 26 square mile spread temple built in 1287. It is one of UNESCO's World Heritage listed site with more than 2,000 pagodas. World's largest concentration of ancient Buddhist temples. Natural erosion continuously changes the appearance of temples of BACAN. 6. Easter Island Statues, Peru. Easter Island is the world's most isolated inhabited island located in the North Pacific region of Chile. This treeless island of Chile is one of the most important archaeological sites in the world. The ancient sculptures called moai are the important attraction within this island. The extinct volcanoes also became a vital attraction of this site, but still, it is least visited by the tourists. Average moai statue weighs 270 tons. Listed on UNESCO's World Heritage Site. 5. Colosseum, Rome, Italy. Colosseum of Rome is the largest amphitheater in the world. It is built in 70 AD using concrete and stones with a base of Roman architecture. There are 80 entrances and have a capacity of 50,000 spectators within Colosseum of Rome. In ancient time this Colosseum used for hosting a game between people and animals. It took more than 9 years to complete the work of Colosseum. 4. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer is one of the modern man-made wonders of the world, located in Corcovado Hills in Rio de Janeiro. In fact, the Christ the Redeemer statue constructed in France as piece by piece and transported to Rio de Janeiro, completed in the year 1931. The 98 feet tall statue built using concrete of thousands of tons. It is the 5th largest statues of Jesus Christ in the world. 3. Taj Mahal, India. India's most iconic and symbolic monument ever, listed on World Wonders list repeatedly. This marvelous monument constructed entirely using white marbles. Taj Mahal built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving memory of his wife, Mumtaz. It took 22 years for the completion of this beautiful monument, also listed in the World Heritage Site. All sides of Taj Mahal are perfectly identical. 2. Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Pyramids are one of the greatest wonders that the man has ever conceived. Upon them, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as ever-time man-made wonder of the ancient world. It built during the period of 2589 BC and 2504 BC for pharaohs Khufu. It is also the oldest and largest pyramid in the world with a record height of 146 meters. Constructed using 230,000 stones that weigh up to 50 tons. 1. Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China is the world's longest construction ever made by man. The 51-kilometer-long Wall of China built 2,000 years ago by King Qin Shi Huang. It is mainly constructed using stones, bricks, and woods. It listed on UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. More than 1 million people have lost their lives during the construction of this wall, became the longest cemetery. Thanking you.